The following Health Matters segment is sponsored by HMG. Every 90 minutes, someone is diagnosed with ALS. It is a progressive neurodegenerative disease that affects the nerve cells in the brain and the spinal cord. It is a heartbreaking disease, but there is help and there is hope. In tonight's Health Matters, we sit down with Melissa Tipton, HMG Accounting Manager and also an ALS Volunteer, to learn more about the Tennessee chapter of the ALS Association and how we can all join together to help make a difference. Year after year, every September, they walk with purpose, joining together to raise money for the Tennessee chapter of the ALS Association. Families and friends joining hands, some to honor, others to remember.
There's a lot of people there that are suffering with ALS, and they're walking or in a wheelchair, and their whole families are there, and these teams are, celebrating, them being there and just celebrating what they're going through and spending that time together and knowing that they're making a difference, in the research and raising money.
Melissa has been involved in the Walk to Defeat ALS since 2006, when a family friend was first diagnosed with the disease.
It is heartbreaking to just see what she went through and what her family was going through with her diagnosis, and just how quickly she went downhill. And she passed away within a year and a half of being diagnosed.
Melissa organizes a team and walks in her honor every year, supporting the organization that stood by her friend's side and helped her navigate this awful disease.
We couldn't do the services that we do without their support, so it's completely funded by people who are passionate about it.
The ALS Association provides so many important services and much needed support to patients and their families, including a care service coordinator.
They're going to follow that individual and their family, their caregivers along their journey. They're going to get them plugged in there, get them the resources they need, evaluate what their living situation is right now, what their caregiving situation is right now.
From certified ALS clinics to equipment to emotional support, the ALS Association is committed to bringing peace and hope to their families. It's their dedication and compassion that keeps people like Melissa fighting for the cause.
I've captained a team every year since 2006. And luckily I've been able to get HMG to sponsor the walk as well as sponsor our team, and just to raise awareness.
And thanks to donors like HMG, the organization has been able to raise the money required to continue their services. So what can you do? How can you help make a difference? Well, you can get involved, join a walk, be an advocate, and spread the word.
Please talk about it. Please talk about ALS. It's not something that's thrown around a lot, and so and educating others on the disease is one of the most important things and one of our pillars of what we do and what we support.
And this year you are invited to walk your way on your day for the Walk to Defeat ALS. Maybe it's in your neighborhood or through a favorite park. The Tennessee chapter of the ALS Association is hoping to raise $455,000. For more information, please check out their website, alstn.org. The preceding Health Matters segment was sponsored by HMG.